Hello guys, today I just wanna show you a trick using CNC machines, especially heat has as pretty easy to use, and I wanna show you how to do a face or cut off material using G91. It's very short program and it's very easy to use, but you need to have a little bit of knowledge to work like that. But if you copy the program the way I have it, you can do uh, a lot. I did this cutouts using the same program here over here, but I messed it up around here. I went too deep with the end mill. I make a huge dent, so now I already cleaned it up. Now that I want to go a little deeper, and I thought to make a video so you guys can learn how to do it, and it's very easy. I'll try to explain it before it runs, so when it runs you know what's doing. I'm using G91, so here is XY0 and my C is gonna go only 10,000 this one because it's already finished. It's just for to show you how it runs. So at the beginning I put 10 steps, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, but now I only put 5 because I don't need all of those. And how the program works, tool comes here, then if it's this way, comes here and comes back, and then goes again, comes back again, goes up again, and comes back, and it finishes. And using G91. Now I'm gonna show you how the program is written and running in MDI. So the same program, same thing, I made these steps like type of pyramid, or like I wanted to do like a tip, like some kind of house or something like that. Just playing with a part, trying to do cool stuff. If you guys know how to do cool stuff, you can put it in the comments or link your video or something. Okay, I'm using this tool 19, and now I'm gonna show you the program how it's written. Okay, so G19, G58, these are my coordinates, allowing a little bit of clearance for the tool when it goes down. All of this you guys already know, but here is the thing. I'm using M97, P1, L5. P1 is program 1, with this N. So L5 means five steps. That's gonna go 1 2 3 4 5. And what's gonna happen? Well, it's gonna read this code is to finish the program. G91, G28, C0, Y0. Here is M30. This one M30, it should finish the program. So I'm gonna put a little bit of a space right there, so you know to separate the one program from another. Okay. Now here finish the program, but starts a new one. Sorry for my light, trying to get a good angle. It starts a new one. It's G91 Y177 because my part is one inch and a half. My feed rate 60 because I wanna go slow. I'm not a professional in this one. My X, it fits 250, half of the tool into the material, cutting in C. If I change this C to be a negative or positive, the program if I go negative, start going deeper, like a deeper. Every time the program repeats this part, it's gonna repeat it, and the tool is gonna go deeper and deeper depending on how many times I put in here. This is in the X, this part. Then Y it's gonna do gonna go 1 inch 77, and then it's gonna go back. Then it's gonna go back at this point, and it's gonna go back. It's gonna do this movement back and forth 5 times. Then X25, I mean 250 minus 250, this one is the same. So meaning every time it comes down, it's gonna move 250 this way, goes here, and it's gonna move 250 that way, goes in negative direction. C means it's not gonna cut anything. It's gonna running in C plane, but it's gonna using this C over here. It's gonna be using this height, so it's gonna be cutting something. And then G91 to repeat the program until it reaches all of these steps. Reaches 5 times. It's gonna run this part 5 times. So now I'm gonna run the program. I'll try to do it with no coolant so you can see how it works. Okay, let's start. MDI, everything good. 25%. Another coolant. They're leaving already because they're closing the doors. So we're gonna see how it cuts. Okay, go. Oh, I forgot. But that's how I forgot to change the program. So I'm gonna pause the program. Oh, I'm gonna let it finish. This doesn't take long. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is only changing. Oh, what is it? Sorry, because it's a little bit confusing. C minus, I have 0, 2, alter. Okay, now we should cut something. 100%. Okay, let's try to make a quick video, but it's taking longer. You see? Sorry for the noise, but machining is noisy. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Another look at the program so you can copy it and have it on your notes. You just change the values depending on the material that you're cutting, depending how many steps or your tool size. And that's pretty much it. If you guys like it, thumbs up and comment if you have a trick on this house or any other machines. And I'll see you later. Bye.